Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take Home Science class for the students of class 7 on the topic of Chapter 9 Creative Question Answer 2. I am repeating, today our topic is Chapter 9 Creative Question Answer 2. Students, this is our 10th lecture and 10th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 10th lecture and 10th homework. Students, take your home science book, notebook and writing elements. Let's begin. Chapter 9 Creative Question Answer 2. Students, here is our stem. Here the stem shows some pictures and here we have given the names of the foods. First we find small fish, meat, milk, egg, bean, leafy vegetable, oil, rice, roti. Students, I'm not good at art, so I have tried my level best to draw. I hope you can guess this picture. So you all know this. Now you have to give some answers based on this stem. Number A, what is the daily amount of sugar or molasses for an adult that creates deficiency of calorie if it is absent in their food? The answer will be the daily amount of sugar or molasses for an adult is only 20 grams. In case of its absence, there arises deficiency syndromes in the body. So, if its absence will be in deficiency of syndromes in our body. Number B, how much calorie do we get from the grain like food? I'm repeating, our question is how much calorie do we get from the grain like food? The answer will be we get more than 50% calorie of our total energy requirement from the grain like food. I'm repeating the answer, we get more than 50% calorie of our total energy requirement from the grain like food. Now come to number C. Prepare a diet plan for lunch for a 13 years old student. Use the foods shown in the picture above. It means by using this picture, that means the foods shown in the picture, you have to make a list for a 13 years old student for lunch. So come to here. The answer is diet plan for lunch for a 13 years old student. Here I have made a chart for balanced diet for 13 years old student. There's two sides, and first side you have to write food type and another side you have to write amount or quantity. In food type, fish or meat, the amount will be 30 grams for a 13 years old student. And next, rice, the amount will be 20 grams. Egg, only one, that means a full egg in lunch. Vegetables, the quantity will be 30 grams. Fruits, whole, that means one or whole fruit must be eaten by 13 years old student in the time of lunch. Potato will be in 20 grams. Sugar or molasses will be 10 grams. Milk or milk product things will be 100 ml or gram. And at last oil will be in 10 milligram. Okay, so I hope you can understand how you have to make a chart or how you have to make a diet plan for lunch for a 13 years old student. It means you can follow this for your lunch as you are also the student of 13 or 12 like this. So very similar to this age. Now come to number D. The question is, the foods shown in the above picture ensure the need of calories for all members of a family. Do you agree with the statement? Give reasons in favor of your answer. So I have written the answer here. You can write like this. The daily standard calorie intake for an adult is 3,200 kilocalorie. The standard combination of food items balanced diet is shown herewith. Grain type food. It may be 30% for an adult person. Fish, meat, lentil, seeds. It will be 15%. Also for an adult person. Vegetables and fruits will be 30%. And 15% will be milk and milk product. As we know, milk and milk product can be good for adult. Milk is not good for adults. So an adult can take 15% milk and milk products. Last, fat and sugar. We know this is not good for health, but we have to take very little amount, and the amount will be 10% for an adult. The food items shown in the above picture ensure the daily standard calorie intake of each member of a family. The picture denotes all food types. Bringing change in variety is up to the choice of the members. It is not that they will eat same fruits or vegetables or fishes every day. Students, I hope you can understand all the answers and you will be able to answer if you find this question in your exam. Now, it's your homework time. Your homework will be number C from Q2 question answer 2. I'm repeating, your homework will be number C from creative question answer 2. It means the question will be, prepare a diet plan for lunch for a 13 years old student. Use the foods shown in the picture above. Students, no need to pick the question, just write the answer. I'm repeating, no need to pick the question, just write the answer. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date. Our lecture number is 10 and homework number is also 10. And submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. You need to be serious because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.